Today I'll be showing you how to configure user account control settings. User account control settings helps provide notifications in case of changes being made to your Windows settings or changes being made to your system by application software installed. It helps in the monitoring of processes in your system and prevents them from occurring without your consent. To configure user account control settings, first click on the start icon, then search for user account control. Click on change user account control settings. Drag the slider up or down to determine how much you wish to be notified by your system in case of changes being made to it. It is advisable to leave the slider on the upper level so that you may be notified when these changes occur. And finally, click on OK to implement the changes made. And that's how you configure user account control settings. Thank you for your time. Be sure to like and subscribe.